Hello, this is Nicole Thomas from UB Libraries News. Earlier in the week, we asked you if the story of the wolves in Yellowstone National Park changing the rivers was fact or fake. Here's what you said. Great responses. The story is actually fact. The wolves did indeed contribute to changing the rivers. Want to check the facts? Here's how you can learn more. Ask a UB librarian to locate these resources. Be sure to tune in next time, and always remember to fact check yourself. From all of us at UB Libraries, have a great day.